Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Candy brand washing machine and you're getting an E04 error and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So the E04 error comes up when there's too much water getting into the machine. And why is it getting too much water into the machine? So the number one culprit is going to be that the inlet valve, which is in the back of the machine, has either gone bad or is clogged up, or is there some kind of gunk preventing it from working properly. So unfortunately, and if you want to take on this task by yourself, you can look up how to clean an inlet valve or how to replace an inlet valve on a washing machine. There are lots of videos already online. Unfortunately, this is not one of the easier fixes that can be done just by a regular homeowner. This is one of the errors that you're generally going to have to call a technician to fix. But anyways, you'll know that this error is because there's actually too much water going into the machine, and it's almost certainly due to the inlet valve not functioning properly. So anyways, I hope this helped you at least figure out what the problem is. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.